Welcome, Sujok therapy for vertigo, for dizziness. When you get up and you have these little kind of swirly things happening. Sometimes it happens when you're overwhelmed as well. You just feel lightheaded and you're not quite feeling established and grounded in your head. So what you can do from Sujok and Ayurveda, there's also a yoga treatment for it. Let's start with Sujok. You'll find those points on either side of the thumb. Now, if it's women, generally we do right thumb. If it's men, you do left. Sometimes it doesn't matter. See, just get started. Once you locate these points, you want to massage them. So first, you've got to activate them and then massage them. So get a little pointy. You activate these points and you'll find that they're going to be quite kind of painful, both sides. You want to activate them, all right? Nice, beautiful activation like that. Then you want to roll out and massage. If you don't have one of these Jimmy stuff, you can actually use a pen. So you want to roll out like that. Okay, get over the points here. Once you've done that, give it a nice massage, right? Massage it. You could use sesame oil to massage these points. Sesame oil is grounding. So you want to massage, do twist therapy, get them activated. If you've used oil to massage them, wipe the oil off because the next part won't work. You want to then get some buckwheat and you have them this way, right? The pointy side is downwards. Okay, so you want to put them as acupressure points on that painful point that you noticed. You put the 2 points, one on each side of the thumb, and that's going to keep that stimulation going. So that's the Sujok therapy for dizziness, vertigo, and get started. If it's quite bad and you've had this problem for many years, do both thumbs. Okay, if you've had them just for recently, try one, keep them stimulated. Now, if you find after a few days you're doing this and your thumb's getting sore, change to the other side. Okay, see how you go, try not to break your skin. The second option under Ayurveda is to put a few drops of sesame oil in your ear. Right, that's a grounding principle. Few drops at night time. Rub it in like that and then massage it in, right? So a few drops, rub it in. You can do it at night. You can do it during the day as well. And then you just plug your ears with cotton wool. Amazing, amazing therapy. And finally with yoga, there's some chanting, specific chanting that helps balance the space element in the body. So see how you go with these two therapies. If it works for you, great. If you need some additional support, give me a call. Let's have a chat. Hope this helps. Give it a try.